Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to command your army in Last War survival game but getting hit with constant disconnections? It is a huge problem that can mess up your strategy. Don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to help you get a stable connection. First, you can use the airplane mode method to replenish the internet bandwidth of your mobile device. The most common cause of disconnection is an unstable internet connection, so go ahead and switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that helps. And if you're on Wi-Fi, a simple router restart can sometimes resolve those connection hiccups. Just unplug it for about a minute and then plug it back in. Another thing to consider is whether your game is up to date. The developers often release updates that fix connection bugs. So head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Last War, and make sure you have the latest version installed. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the last resort. But a huge warning here, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your Facebook account, Google Play Games, or Apple App Center. If it's not, you will lose all your progress. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Last War again from the store. I really hope one of these fixes worked for you and you're back to commanding your army with a stable connection. Let me know in the comments which solution helped you, and if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!